Sorry guys.
Una-una, napakaraming problema ng Pilipinas, sa presyo ng bilihin, tungkol sa oil crisis, may political crisis din po tayo, nangyayari din po yung impeachment. Bakit naman po tuwing magbubutuhan sa Senado, biglang lumalabas na kailangan ulit?
And let's go.
So today po, immorally, illegally, lahat po na violation ay ginawa nila, nakipaghabulan sila sa loob ng Senado. May proseso po ang pag-serve ng warrant. They have to coordinate with the Senate President, and then may legal remedies po ang isang senador katulad ng kahit sino.
Yeah, here we go.
So actually po, si Senator Trillanes ay nagtago din po.
Yes, 666 3 pa. Meow. Heck na. So guys, if you want to add me, just search up this name. This Seok_man66 if you want to add me. So last video I said we're gonna add some speed, but there's one subscriber, and we're gonna get that one subscriber equals 1 speed. Okay, let's go. Let's gonna kick another one. Perfect. Yes sir. Yeah, that's why. Please